In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install antivirus software. Now when it comes to antivirus software, there's a ton of options to choose from. The one I'm going to be showing you is called Avast. It's a program I've used for years now, and it's one that I've always recommend to people that are looking for a good antivirus program. So all you've got to do is follow each step that I do, and there will also be a step-by-step guide in the description, as well as a link to Avast website in the description, which can be found down below. Now let's get started, and hopefully by the end of the video you will have an antivirus program installed onto your PC. Now after you click download, it should download into your downloads folder, which you find by clicking the little folder icon at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you open it, a window will open, and off to the left side there's a column, and you can find your downloads in there. After you found your downloads folder, what you want to do is double click the icon and you'll get a pop-up asking for permission to make changes to your computer. What you'll want to do is click yes, and after clicking yes, the installation should begin. Now that we've reached the end of the video, if you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section, and I'll try my best to answer them as accurately and as quickly as I possibly can. Also, if you liked this video and found it to be somewhat helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Those actually help out a lot. And if you didn't like it, then give it a thumbs down. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe and click that bell icon. Now, I don't actually have a set schedule on uploads, so that's where that bell icon comes into play. Also, feel free to check out my last upload, which will be linked in the description below. With all that said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.